Welcome back and welcome to the end of the end-to-end Sunburst section. That must have felt like a marathon, or at least a mini one, but at last we are done, and we will now do a review of the end-to-end design, data preparation, and build of our Sunburst Bespoke Data Visualization. So, in summary, what is a sunburst? We looked at the composition of a sunburst, the different rings, different segments, and we discussed when we should not use it, as well as look at potential design. We did some data preparation. This allowed us to do data identification and allowed us to start building rapidly. Obviously, we could always adjust our data at a different time, but we got moving immediately. We started by drawing our first segment in Tableau. These were the individual pieces, which were sized by the percentage value. We then combined all of these segments within a layer or a ring to produce our first whole ring. So these were all brought together. We created a running sum to ensure that the segments stacked on top of each other or relative to each other in a very nice and concise way. We then used the level detail in our data source to add a second layer. We also did a little bit of ordering. However, the second layer, third layer, fourth layer, it would all use the same technique. Then we added the final touches to our data visualization by adding colors, removing border lines, removing grid lines, adding a tooltip. And this now feels like a data visualization or a bespoke data visualization that's ready to share, to show people, and to get feedback on. And that's where we are. And that actually brings us to the end of our course. Our next section is about closing. So final words, additional exercises, but for the most part, we have come a long way in our journey. So let's finish this up, shall we?